Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to set up the Spring Boot application. First, we will create a new Spring Boot application from the Spring Initializr. After this, we will write the MySQL configuration to connect the Spring Boot application with MySQL DB. So let's get started. Let's go to the browser, and here I'm going to search Spring Initializr. You can see here the official website of Spring Initializr. So let me select here the project, that is a Maven, and the language, it will be a Java. Spring Boot version, I'm going to select this one. Java version, I will use here 17. So let's add here the dependencies. So first I'm going to add here the Spring Web. Second, I'm going to add here the Lombok. Third, I'm going to add here the MySQL driver. Fourth, I'm going to add here the Spring Data JPA. Let's generate the project. Let me unzip this. Let me open this project in the IntelliJ IDE. You can see the structure of the Spring Boot application. Let's go to form.xml. Click on this button, that is a add as a Maven project. Let's go to application.properties, and here I'm going to write the configuration of the DB. So you can see here the data source URL, that is a jdbc://localhost:3306, that is a port, and you can see here the DB name, that is a task_DB. After this, I'm going to add here the credentials of the MySQL workbench. You can see here the credentials, that is a username and the password, and you can see here the last data source config, that is a Spring Data Source driver class name, that is a com.mysql.cj.jdbc.driver. After that, I'm going to add here the JPA configuration, and you can see here the two properties of the JPA, that is a Spring JPA.hibernate ddl-auto, that is a update, and last one, that is a Spring.jpa.show-sql, that is a true. That's all for now from my side. In the next video, we will start the implementation of the project. If you have any confusion, you can do comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.